Hi, I'm here today to share with you this eye mop. We've loved this mop having young kids. It's been easy to get in and out of places. Super great, nice, lightweight, comfortable. It comes with these easy replacement pads too. So I have one replacement pad, I have one underneath already. This great bucket. Inside of the bucket it has filters, so it comes with some filters. And it's super simple, super easy to use. Comes with these great directions. It's an awesome company to work with. We had an issue at first and I contacted them and they got back to me right away and resolved their issue super fast. So really great company to work with. I definitely recommend that. They also received the Red Dot Award in Germany, so that's really cool award to receive too. This handle has this bucket has a nice handle, so it's really easy to carry around if you have different levels in your house or different rooms you want to travel in and out. Super simple to use. I'm going to add water to it, but I just want to show you quick. You just open here and it goes right on top. So really awesome design. And then it spins, keeping your mop nice and clean. So it has a great filtration system and is easy to use. I'm going to show you how we use it, and it's a great mop to have. Alright, there's a nice fill line in the side, so it tells you which level to not exceed. So I just added my filtered water in there. It has these nice brushes, so that is going to clean these pads really nice. So it's going to get all the dirt or hair off. So you just add or simply attach the mop. You can open it here and then you can start turning it, and it's going to get your mop nice and damp here. When you're done, you can just decide what level you want to be at, and super simple to use. So really great, easy product, nice and smooth. If you have corners, it really gets in those corners really great. Under tables, it's really smooth to get under chairs. Definitely a really easy product if you have kids or animals. I highly recommend it, and you can find it right on Amazon.